Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV, and for today's video, I will show you on how to connect a cutout from kahramaa power to the building detail by detail. See you guys. And now my guys, connect the yellow color of cable to the cutout and to the MSB1. Actually guys, the meter is already installed because there is already a power of the cutout and now ready to energize after this connection. And my guys is different nationalities from Nepal, Bangladesh, and India.
ऐसे ही रोक के रखना, हिलाना थोड़ा सा भी.
Actually guys, the height of the cutout is 27 by the height of 38 to 40 and the depth with 13 centimeters. And now the connection done and then ready to energize. And this is the cutout and this is the meter and this is the panel MSB1 and MSB2. Thank you. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you learned something. See you.